Our pool is huge. Ours is small.
But we can still have fun.
We can swim all day.
We even have a water slide.
Wow, that's really cool.
Maybe someday we'll have one like that. Look, Noah. We have a whole pool to ourselves.
Yeah, and these toys are awesome. That's your pool?
It's really tiny.
Our pool is better than yours.
Way better.
It's not about how big it is.
Yeah, we're still having fun.
Whatever.
Why are you looking at? They're having fun. So?
I don't know. It's annoying.
What are you thinking?
Nothing yet.
Watch this! Go, Ethan!
Wow.
It is really huge.
Told you.
Come on, Lily. Let's play. Catch. Got it. They actually look like they're having fun.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be having more fun.
Ethan, why are you so upset?
Because they're having more fun than us.
But we have the biggest pool.
That doesn't matter.
Then what does?
I have an idea.
What idea?
You'll see.
What idea?
Maybe we shouldn't do this.
Nobody will know.
What if they find out?
They won't.
Ethan, this feels wrong.
Just stay quiet. Ethan, look! It's actually going down.
We need to stop.
Wait, what have we done? Come on!
Come on, we have to go.
Okay.
What if they see us?
Just keep walking. Lily, wait. What happened?
Our pool.
Oh no.
It was fine yesterday.
Someone did this.
But who?
I don't know. Maybe someone from next door?
You mean Ethan and Mia?
I'm not saying that yet.
Did you two see anything last night?
Nope, nothing.
We were inside.
Then why are you acting nervous? We're not. Why are you looking at us? I'm not.
Ethan.
You look nervous. I'm fine. Lily, look at this.
Footprints?
They lead straight to the fence.
Someone was here last night.
I think we should watch them.
Why?
Something feels strange.
Okay, let's find out.
Something feels wrong.
I think so too.
Let's find out what happened.
Okay.
They're acting like nothing happened.
I noticed that too.
Let's watch them.
Okay. Did you hear that? Hear what?
That sound.
Yeah, I heard it too.
Come on, Mia. Lily, come here.
What did you find? I'm not sure. This could be important.
Lily, look up.
A camera!
Maybe it saw what happened.
Then we can find out.
Wait, look at the screen.
Is that Ethan and Mia?
I think it is.
I think it is. They were here last night.
Why did it stop?
Right when they reached the pool.
That's weird. Very weird. We saw you in the video. We didn't do anything. Then why were you near our pool? Ethan, I said we didn't do anything. I have an idea.
What kind of idea?
We're gonna find out the truth.
I'm in.
We're having a pool party tomorrow. A pool party? Yep. Where?
Right here.
But your pool is broken.
Who said we need a big pool? Why do you look worried?
Because tomorrow could be a problem.
What if they find out?
They might.
Ethan, we should tell the truth.
Nah, not yet. Welcome, everyone! Come on in! They're actually having a party, and everyone looks happy.
This is so much fun!
Told you!
They don't even need the pool.
How are they having this much fun?
Ethan, they're just having fun.
I know.
Then why are you upset?
Because
I ruined their pool for nothing.
you know what you have to do. Noah, I'm sorry.
Why did you do it?
I was jealous of you. I'm really sorry. I forgive you.
Just don't do it again.
I promise.
Is that for us? Yes. Wow. We wanted to make it right.
This is the best pool day ever! And we're all together.
That's what matters. Best friends?
Best friends!